Hello, this is David, and today we'll be doing Lab 9 of 2050, and it consists of 9.1 and 9.2. So we'll begin with 9.1, and we'll do the A part. It wanted us to create a folder on the computer as on the C drive as MSI, and it wanted us to put the Windows 8 Server DVD, and we'll be using this NetFX file, uh, and then that was part A, and part B wanted us to create a GPO called software distribution, and let me do an edit. I've already created it here, and if we go down to the user configuration, policies, software settings, and we created a new software installation here, and if we look at the categories in this, we'll go down to properties. We're going to do a deployment. We're going to publish this, and we also created development tools and added that category over to this GPO, and that was part B. And then part C is we go over here to our RWO2, and if we go to control panel, we want to look and see if that NetFX is in there. Program and features. Now let's see, you do an install a program from a network, and yeah, it's published our NetFX, our network, our net framework. One thing I did forget over here was when we went and got this, as you see right there, it's on the C drive of our 2050 RWDC1, MSI, Sys08 volume, upgrade, NetFX, and then we selected NetFX there. And that was part C of 9.1, and the part D wanted us to change it from published to assigned, and we just go back into our GPO and go back into our software distribution here, and let's edit that thing, and we want to go down to policies, software settings, and go down to properties, and on our deployment all you have to do is click it's assigned, and then we also clicked install this application at logon. When we did do that, let me just cancel this, and we logged on to we logged this one off and then logged back on as the administrator, and it did install. You could see that it has already installed, and it's just installed when we logged on. If we go back in here, you can see that the Microsoft Net Framework 1.1 is already installed. So we'll close that out. 9.2, it wanted us to create a GPO called SRP1. So let's get back over here on one, and we've created this here. Let's go down here and edit this thing, and go into user configuration, policies, Windows settings, security, software restriction policy. And we went to the additional. We done a new one, and we added a new one, and we went to the C drive of program files, Internet Explorer, and put it in Internet Explorer. Then if we go to properties, we've done a drop down here to disallow. We've already done that. And then we went over here to our RWDC2, and when you click on Internet Explorer now, it's blocked by a group policy. The book wanted us to go into the C drive here and go to Program Files and Internet Explorer, and you just make a copy of the iExplorer here and put it on desktop and try it. And when we did do that with the SRP1, it did let us get into it. So Part C of 9.2 wanted us to create us another GPO. We just close this out, and we created SRP2. If we look at that, and go down here to user configuration, Windows settings, security settings, software restriction. And what we done, we created this as a new hash, and we created a disallow. And so when we went to RWDC2, and if we try this, we still get the same thing. And if we create a shortcut, get the shortcut created here. Copy this and put it on the desktop. See if it will work. And now if you make a copy of it, it no longer works. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you.